Hi guys, so the technology that I'm reviewing is Diigo. It's basically an online bookmarking and annotating website that you can use on your phone or on the computer, and it offers a lot of features like um, annotating on your computer. You can share your resources, you can make sticky notes, highlights, and a lot of different cool things. The one that's really neat is this archived web pages, which if you use a web page, you annotate it and save it to your account. Even if that page is then archived and no longer available, you would have it saved on here. The only negative is that it's part of the premium feature, so you would have to pay for that. But other than that, it's pretty cool. There are 4 different accounts that plans for Diigo. The first one's free. It doesn't offer too many features. It's pretty basic. Then the next one is the standard for $40 a year. That one offers more features. So you get ads, unlimited cloud bookmarks, unlimited image storage. You can import Kindle highlights and notes. That's pretty cool. And then the next plan is $59 a year, and that gives you a few more features, just unlimited PDF storage and unlimited outliners. And then the fourth plan is the $10 a month business plan, which gives you a whole lot more features. And you have the option to collaborate with a team on that one. But I signed up for the free version, and if you come into it, you can see that like this is a highlight, and then I can Google search it, I can put it onto a sticky note, or I can just highlight it. So that's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool website for students and teachers. If you're a student, you could use this to annotate and learn how to annotate, and for teachers, you can save all your resources on here. So it's a really neat website.